Hello, my name is David, and in today's lesson I will be teaching the present perfect tense. You form the present perfect by using the modal verb have for the first person I and the second person you, as well as the plural subject pronouns we, you, and they, or has for the singular subject pronouns he, she, and it, followed by the past participle form of the verb. For example, I have graduated from college. It refers to a past action that happened at an unknown time in the past. And speakers use it to stress the importance of a past event in the present. Additionally, there are 4 common situations that require the present perfect. First, it can express a repeated action. When an action happened more than one time in the past, use the present perfect. For example, she has seen the movie 3 times. Secondly, it is common to use the present perfect with the words for and since, which are adverbs that tell the duration of an activity and they answer the question how long. For example, how long has he studied English? Third, the negative adverb never requires the present perfect. You can say they have never been to France, but you cannot say they did never go to France. Finally, when asking a question in the present perfect, use ever, as in, have you ever won the lottery? A good way to practice the present perfect is to ask an English-speaking friend if he or she has ever done something. For instance, you can say, have you ever flown in an airplane? Or, have you ever seen the Grand Canyon? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for listening. Bye bye.